Hello friends, last class we have completed about question number 75. Now we will go for question number 76. So hammer mill works on the principle of dash. So generally hammer mill is a principle behind this is the impact. The answer is impact. Attrition means force with movement, acceleration is called attrition. Compression, this is called compression. Cutting, you know it, cutting. The answer is D. Question number 76. What compound is present in ashwagandha? So ashwagandha, the biological source is Withenia somnifera. Generally Withenia somnifera contain steroidal lactones, ethanolides. Okay, the option is C. Magnesium sulfate is commonly known as dash. Generally magnesium sulfate, you know that magnesium salt is otherwise known as Epsom salt. Calcium carbonate is otherwise known as limestone. Flour of sulfur, it is the normal sulfur. Rochelle salt, sodium potassium tartrate is otherwise known as Rochelle salt. The option C is the right answer for it. Question number 79. Commonly used spices clove is obtained from dash. So generally clove is obtained from Syzygium aromaticum, belongs to the family Myrtaceae. So here clove is the flowering bud. So the answer is option B, flowering bud. Next question asks, question number 80. On dividing a number by 413, we get 58 as a remainder. On dividing the same number by 59, what will be the remainder? So by this question, you just take quotient will be 1. You just take quotient will be 1. So what happened? Dividend, we don't know the dividend. So you just go for dividend equal to 413. That is divisor into quotient plus remainder. So the answer came 471. Now it asks, on dividing the same number by 59, what will be the remainder? Now we divide the 471 to 59. So the answer is 58 and the right answer is option A. Next question is question number 81. The transformation of the larva into the adult is otherwise known as metamorphosis. You know it, where the larva by different phases it converted to adult. Next question, we will go for question number 82. Conceptual skill. Concept. What is concept? Concept is an idea. So the option A is the right answer. Okay, next question. Question number 83 asks, BCG vaccine is a bovine strain of dash. So we know that BCG stands for Bacilli calamate guerin. So Bacilli calamate guerin is generally used for TB, tuberculosis. The answer is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Next question, question number 84. Dehydration of alcohol leads to the formation of ether. Dehydration, if there is a dehydration of the removal of water from alcohol, then it will form ether. Next question, question number 85. Heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compound, you know that in cyclic structure, cyclic aromatic compound, if we use nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen instead of carbon atom, then it is called as a heterocyclic compound. So these are a cyclic compound. Next we will go for question number 86. Enamel. Enamel is the outermost cell of outermost cover of teeth is called as enamel. The question number D is the right answer. Question number 87. Buffers are added in the sterile production to maintain dash. Buffer, you know, acid base and buffer. Buffers are generally added to maintain the pH of a pharmaceutical preparation. So the answer is pH. Question number 88. Synonym of Indian squirrel. If you go for the synonym of Indian squirrel, the answer is sea onion. Samudra piyaz is otherwise known as Indian squirrel. The option C is the right answer for it. Question number 89. Satapura National Park is situated in which state? Satapura National Park is situated in Madhya Pradesh. So option B is the right answer for it. So here is the question for reasoning. A lady stands on the road facing east direction. She turns. So here is the lady. Here is the lady who stands following facing east direction. He turns 48 degree. Now he is in southeast direction. Okay, now from southeast direction he turns anti-clockwise, then what happen, he will face this northeast direction. The answer A or option A is the right answer. Question number 91, the ratio by number of atoms of water. We know that H2O is the chemical formula for water, so the ratio is 2:1. Option C is the right answer. Question number 92, a test which measures the ability of a compound to diminish the concentration of sugar in the blood. Generally, while there is a diminish, then it is a hypoglycemic. If there is a increase, then it is called as a hyperglycemic. Decrease, hypo, increase, hyper. The option D is the right answer for it. Next question, we will go for question number 93. Lecithin is an example of dash. Lecithin, you know that lecithin is a antioxidant, so it is a amine type of antioxidant. The option B is the right answer for it. Question number 94. The ratio of number of girls of boys a school is 3600. Students ratio is 39:41. So how many more girls should be admitted to make it the ratio 1:1? So now what happened, we will go for total student is 3600. So girls 39. Then what happened, 3600 divided by 39 plus 41, because the total ratio is the total amount is 39 plus 41, 80. So here the girls come 755 and boys come 1845. So if you subtract 1845 minus 1755, then the answer comes 90. So the option C is the right answer for it. Question number 95. The equation involved in the quantum mechanic approach to molecular modeling is dash. The option D is the right answer. Schrodinger wave equation is otherwise quantum mechanic. Okay. Next question number 96. A train passes a station platform in 54 seconds. So while this type of question asks, you just take the main as the standard. So while the train passes the main, then what happen, it is the null. So speed of the train is 29 meter per second. So how the a main stands means it will take 38 seconds. Okay. So what happened, length of train is 38 seconds and speed of train is 29. So it comes, length of train is 1102 meter. Length of platform, let x. So then what happened, x plus 1102 divided by 54 seconds, because it passes the station platform 54 seconds, equal to how much, 29, because it is the null. Okay. So next the answer came 464. Option A is the right answer for it. Next we will go for question number 97. Fillers are often incorporated into a polymer to enhance dash. Generally fillers are incorporated into polymers to give mechanical strength. The option D is the right answer for it. Next we will go for question number 98. Sigma minus method is used to determine dash. Sigma minus method, so this is elimination rate constant. To measure the elimination rate constant, we are using sigma minus method. So option D is the right answer for it. Astrocytes are present in dash. Astrocytes, so blood brain barrier, you might have studied in APHE or HAP, that is the option D is the right answer. Blood brain barrier, these astrocytes are present. Question number 100. Calamine lotion is an example of dash. Calamine lotion, you know that lotions, these are the otherwise known as suspensions, one type of suspension. So suspension means it is a solid and liquid phase. So the option B is the right answer for it. So hope you like it better. So if you like, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.